There's so much to see and do at Disney World that we can't possibly get to it all in one visit. So we're giving you a closer look at those theme park attractions to help you decide what to keep on your list and what to skip. Hey, this is Dora with Make Time for Magic, and this video series is all about those Disney attractions. We are continuing through the Magic Kingdom where we left off in the last video as we came through Adventureland and into Frontierland. As you enter Frontierland from this side, you'll pass Pecos, Bill's, Tall Tale, and Quick Service on your right. Then straight in front of you, you'll see Splash Mountain. This is a classic log ride where you'll find your way to Brer Rabbit's Briar Patch. There's a 40-inch height restriction here, and if you're using a wheelchair, you must be able to transfer to the ride vehicle. Splash Mountain has several dips as well as a 5-story drop where you will get wet. Super fun ride here, as long as you don't mind getting soaked. And if you have any items with you that you prefer to remain dry, you may want to consider renting a locker near the main entrance to the park. On the other side of Splash Mountain is another one of my favorites, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. I mean, who would have thought that riding a speeding train through a cursed cavern and a ghost town would be so much fun, right? This one also has a 40-inch height restriction, and again, if you're using a wheelchair, you must be able to transfer to the ride vehicle to experience this attraction. There are a couple of dark spots on this one for those who may have sensitive ones in your group. Super fun ride, guys! This one tends to stay at the top of our list for most visits. The path dead ends at Thunder Mountain, so backtracking towards Splash Mountain again, you'll find the entrance to Tom Sawyer Island on the left. Tom Sawyer Island is a cute, self-guided walking tour of a frontier fort, along with some secret caves. To access the island, you'll board a log raft and travel across rivers of America. No height restrictions here, and there are no wheelchairs or ECVs allowed. If you have large age gaps in your group and splitting up is an option, then this may be a place for the smaller ones to visit while the taller members of your group are taking on those mountain rides. Super cute experience, but this one usually doesn't find its way onto our list very often. Okay, continuing through Frontierland, we'll bring you past the Prairie Outpost to our next attraction, the Country Bear Jamboree. The Country Bears are a group of classic audio animatronics that have been performing at Disney World since 1971. No height restrictions here, and this attraction is fully accessible from your wheelchair or ECV. You'll be seated indoors in theater-style seating for this adorable show that usually finds a spot near the bottom of our Magic Kingdom list. Continuing down the path, you'll pass some great shopping opportunities on your right before entering into Liberty Square. You'll know that you've left Frontierland when you see the color of the path turn to a brick red with a light brown color flowing down the center. Next, you'll pass the Diamond Horseshoe and the Liberty Tree Tavern table service restaurants on your right as you approach the Liberty Bell. As you pass the Liberty Bell, you'll have the option to turn right or to continue straight ahead. Turning right will bring you to the Hall of Presidents. This is a super impressive show combining digital projection with audio animatronics of every United States president. The show lasts approximately 25 minutes and takes place indoors with standard theater-style seating. There are no height restrictions, and the show is fully accessible from your wheelchair or ECV. Very impressive show, guys. The audio animatronics here are super lifelike. I highly recommend seeing this show at least once. After leaving the Hall of Presidents, if you continue to your left, you'll be headed back towards Cinderella Castle. There will be some super cute shops on both sides, as well as Sleepy Hollow Refreshments, one of our favorite quick service spots on your left. We're gonna head to the right as we leave the Hall of Presidents so that we can continue through the rest of Liberty Square. The Liberty Square Market Quick Service will be on your right, and our next attraction, the Liberty Square Riverboat, will be directly in front of you. Straight out of the colonial era, the Liberty Belle is a riverboat that will take you on a half-mile tour around Tom Sawyer Island. The trip lasts about 17 minutes and offers some amazing views of the park. There are 4 decks, each with limited bench seating available, but if you really want to check out those views, you'll want to be standing. No height restrictions, and the riverboat is fully accessible from your wheelchair or ECV. Some really great views here. I love taking pictures from the riverboat. This one usually lands about halfway up on our Magic Kingdom must-do list. Leaving the riverboat and continuing to the left, you'll pass Columbia Harbor House, another great quick service spot. And on your right, you'll pass the gift shop for our last, but quite possibly our best attraction, the Haunted Mansion. I love this one, guys. Up to 3 people can fit into each Doom buggy that'll take you through this haunted estate with your own private ghost host to guide you. There's no height restrictions, and if you're using a wheelchair, you must be able to transfer to the ride vehicle in order to experience this attraction. The majority of the queue, as well as the entirety of the ride, is experienced in a very low light environment. Super awesome attraction, guys. This ride is slow moving, and you won't find any gory scenes inside the Haunted Mansion. One of my all-time favorites here. This one is always one of my top picks. When you exit the Haunted Mansion, if you head to your left, you'll reach the end of Liberty Square and the entrance to Fantasyland, which we'll visit in our next video. If you like this video, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. And remember, time is precious, so be sure to make time to create those magical memories.